Hello my friends. I'm going to do something that I have only done one other time on my channel. I'm going to randomly choose both a technique and colors for today's pour. So let's get to it. I've got this little bowl here with about 8 techniques in it that I like doing. Some I like doing more than others, but so mix them up. My eyes are closed and I am choosing this one. Ribbon pour. Okay, I like that a lot, so I'm glad I chose that. Now, let's pick some colors. I think I'll use, I will use, since I'm doing a ribbon pour, a black background. But I will choose my colors to go on top, and I'll pick 6 colors, but I may only use 5 of them. I have that option of discarding one of them. So, here we go. Ouch, this is always a painful process. Okay, here we go. 6 colors, starting with this one. 1. And I'm not going to look at them until I have drawn them all. 2. I do have some duplicates in here, so if I draw the same ones, I'll have to redraw. 3. Pick a big one here. 4. I must like that color if I ordered it in big. 4. 5. One more. 6. All right, let's see what I got. Ultramarine, yes, I like that. Emerald green, okay. Oh boy, Persian red. They call it red, but that is very pink. Cashew, oh boy. Red ochre and silver. Wow, that's quite an interesting assortment there. All right, let me give some thought to which ones I'm going to use, and I will mix them up, put down my base coat, and be right back. Okay, I'm back, got my colors mixed up, but before I get to that, I want to show you a couple of my embellishments I've done, and I want to show you because happily they both have sold, and I will be varnishing them and delivering them soon, so I got to show you while I have the chance. This was the one I did on the modeled background that I made a video of. So I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm very pleased with it, honestly. Yeah, so that's that one. And then this modeled background was a practice piece for a larger one. And here is what I did with it. I added burnt sienna to the mix. Oh gosh, you can't see that. Let me zoom out. I used the same colors. Oh, there's a terrible glare. Turn that off. That's better. I used the same colors, but I added burnt sienna to the mix to get this color. Maybe not so much on the purple. Anyway, here we go. The other one, and I'm happy with this as well. So as I said, I need to varnish both of them and paint the sides because I didn't allow the paint to go over, well, except on this side of the horse. Anyway, you don't need to see that. I have a little more work to do before I varnish and wire. But I am going to be making prints of those in different sizes. If you're interested in either one, just contact me at chrissypaints@yahoo.com, and I'll be happy to talk to you about it. Okay, so I decided to forego the red ochre, so I'm skipping that, and instead I'm using all the rest of them. Now the ultramarine blue, I'll turn my light back on. Ultramarine blue is a transparent color, so I added some of the silver to it. And it lightened it up slightly, but it became opaque and it's got a nice shimmer to it, so that's nice. And the rest of them I use straight from the tube. So I've got the ultramarine with silver, emerald green. Believe it or not, I used the Persian red, which is very much a pink color. And I felt the cashew kind of could serve as a gold. So that's what I went with. I'm going to put it on a black background. And let's get to it. Let me just get these out of the way. Okay. Oh, now I need to zoom out again, or in. Let's see. How's that? I think that works. And I need cups. Oh my goodness. All right. I'm going to put down the black. And then I'm going to do 2 cups. I'm going to separate these warm colors from these other ones, which are cooler. Because I don't want to get a lot of mixing of this cashew with the blue or the green. So that's the plan. And here we go. My black is just our Artist Loft. And I am using my Polycrylic mix. I find that makes, for me, I feel it makes the best ribbons. I'll put the recipe details down below and a link to how I mix a big batch of it. And I need to make another big batch because I just used it up for this pour. Get this on. Okay, I'm going to tilt it around towards the edges, but not all the way off yet. I see a lot of bubbles. I'm going to hit it with a torch. Now I probably will get some cells because of the silver. When you use metallics, they just tend to cell up, and I have both silver and then, as I said, the blue has silver in it, so I don't love getting cells in my ribbon pours, but it adds a little interest. So I'm going to go with the cashew and the red, pink first, because I don't love either of those colors, and I'll put them down first, and then on top I will add colors I prefer more. So these will just be like supporting colors. It's my hope anyway. One more layer of pink. Okay. And here we go. Just going to apply it in my usual kind of figure 8 motion. Starting off the black. Trying to be as graceful as possible. No sharp turns. Okay, now I'll fill up the other cup with these 3. I think I'll go green, blue, and silver. top it off with the blue, and then that will be it. Okay. I never would have chosen these colors together. That cashew really is throwing me off. I do like the skinny lines. You don't get this with another mix, I tell you. Okay, let's move it around. I like this dark area here. I don't even mind that big swoosh of pink. I wish I had more pink than that cashew, in fact. But I can go back and add some more pink. Maybe I will. Surprise all of you who know how I feel about pink, but my pink pretty much disappeared. Except for that one corner there. So let's do it. Let's add some pink. I don't have much. Oops, running out. What else? No cashew, maybe the green. Going nuts with these skinny ribbons, but at this point, I just want to use up the paint and be done. I mean, I did not choose these colors intentionally, my friends. You remember that. And silver. It's kind of making me want spaghetti for dinner tonight. I love the skinny lines though. That's kind of fun. All right. That's pretty wild. I'm not going to tilt it. I'm going to let it be. And let me bring you in for a closer look at this thing. not liking that cashew color. I don't know why I bought it. But this is pretty much how it's going to dry. Those lines are not going to spread out or move much more. And that's due to the polycrylic mix, which again I will detail down below. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching. See you next time.